All right, crypto fam, we're in a bull market and it's time to make those gains work for us. Today, I'm talking about a game changer, the Phemex lending protocol. Imagine growing your portfolio without having to sell your crypto, just lending and earning. With Phemex, you can earn passive income and take advantage of the market momentum without giving up your assets. Stick around because today, I'll show you how to make the most of this bull run. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, the Bit Boy, bringing you everything you need to know to navigate the crypto markets and maximize your gains. Today, we're talking about Phemex. Now look, they are our channel sponsor, and we're going to be talking to you about their latest feature that's designed for this very moment, the Phemex lending protocol. This is the perfect way to keep growing your portfolio as the market takes off. And if you're new here, also, by the way, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these kinds of valuable insights. But first things first, the timing could not be any better. With the bull market heating up, crypto assets are gaining value. And the potential for passive income, it's never been any stronger. By using the Phemex lending protocol, you can put your crypto to work without actively trading. Instead, you can lend it out and earn interest while you hold. Now, here's why this is such a big deal. Normally, to take advantage of a bull market, you'd have to buy and sell actively. But with Phemex lending, you don't have to be glued to the charts. Instead, you're making gains while the market does its thing. You're essentially earning passive income on top of your assets appreciating in value. It's a double win, the most exciting double thing since that one rainbow. But how does this actually work? It's simple. Phemex lets you use your existing crypto assets as collateral to borrow more cryptocurrency. This way, you get access to additional funds without having to sell your current holdings. For example, if you're holding Bitcoin or Ethereum and want to tap into more liquidity, you can use those assets as collateral on Phemex. Now, this is a massive advantage because, as we know, timing is everything in crypto. Selling your assets might mean missing out on gains. But with Phemex lending, you can hold onto your crypto, borrow against it, and keep your portfolio intact while still having liquidity to invest in other opportunities. Now, let's talk about benefits. First, interest on your holdings. This is the passive income side of things. And also, by the way, guys, if you want to try this with Phemex, we've got a link down below in the description. We can pop a QR code up on the screen too for you. Make it easy. But listen, by lending your crypto through Phemex, you're earning interest simply by supplying assets to the platform. No active trading, no constant monitoring, just steady growth. Second, growing your portfolio without needing to trade. If you're not a fan of daily trading or just want a more hands-off approach, this is the ideal way to build wealth over time. With Phemex lending, you get to play the long game, letting the market's growth fuel your portfolio. Finally, security. Phemex has built a platform that prioritizes the security of your assets. You can lend and borrow with confidence, knowing that your crypto is in a secure environment. If you're looking for a way to earn without taking unnecessary risks, Phemex lending, well, it's got you covered. Getting started couldn't be easier. You can head on over to Phemex's lending protocol page, choose the asset you want to supply or borrow, and start earning while the market moves. Phemex has made it straightforward and user-friendly, so you don't have to be a pro to take advantage of this feature. And don't forget, if you're new to Phemex, you can sign up using my link to claim a massive bonus of up to $30,000. It's real. This bonus gives you a head start in trading, letting you explore the platform's features and maximize your earnings potential from day one. So if you're looking for a way to earn passive income as the market heats up, try out the Phemex lending protocol. Use my link down below to sign up, claim your bonus, start making your crypto work for you. Lending your assets during a bull market, well, it can be one of the smartest ways to grow your portfolio without any extra effort. It's easy. You just let it sit there. In this fast-paced market, Phemex is offering a tool that lets you grow your wealth passively and securely. So whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, the Phemex lending protocol is designed to help you succeed in a bull market. Take advantage of the timing, sign up using my link, and let your crypto earn for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more ways to maximize your crypto potential. That's all I got. Be blessed. Bit Boy out.